What if you could create cinematic 4K videos in under 60 seconds without any editing skills? And that's exactly what Cynema AI does. In this video, I'll show you how it works, what you get, and whether it's actually worth your money. So what is Cynema AI? It's an all-in-one AI video creation tool that turns simple inputs like keywords, scripts, or even images into professional-looking videos. And the best part? It combines 50-plus AI engines into one dashboard, so you don't need multiple expensive tools. This is perfect for beginners, YouTubers, marketers, freelancers, or anyone who wants fast content creation. Let's break down the key features. First, text to video. Just type your idea, and it creates a full video automatically. Second, image to video. Upload a product image or photo, and it turns into a cinematic clip. Third, AI scriptwriter. It even creates hooks, scenes, and flow for you. And finally, 4K cloud rendering. Your video is ready in about 60 seconds. The biggest benefit? You save time, avoid monthly costs, and still get professional quality videos. Let's keep it real. Pros: one-time payment, no monthly fees. Beginner-friendly, commercial license included. Fast video creation. Cons: some advanced features are locked behind upgrades. And yes, you still need traffic to make money. And here's the best part. When you grab Cynema AI through my link, you'll also unlock my bonuses. These include premium tools, templates, and traffic resources to help you get results faster. So if you want to create high-quality videos without spending hours editing, click the first link in the description right now. You'll get Cynema AI at the lowest launch price, plus my exclusive bonuses. But hurry, this is a limited time deal, and the price may increase anytime.